while heavy rains continue to lash parts of the state. For some, it was welcome relief. For others, it only spelled misery.
Koppal. Nature's beauty was at its peak in the district. The picturesque river Tunga provided a wonderful sight. The Tungabhadra Reservoir, measuring 1,633 feet, was filled to the brim. The water inflow increased up to 1 lakh cusecs. Minister for Minor Irrigation Shivraj Tangadagi, accompanied by MP Sangana Karadi and MLA Raghavendra, offered Bagina to the river. Hassan. Water came gushing out of the dams of the Hemavati. The inflow was 22,575 cusecs and 10,000 cusecs of water was released from the dam. The place was flooded with tourists who came to experience the scenic beauty.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು ಆದ್ರೂ ಇದು ನೋಡೋಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಂದಿದೀವಿ.
The rains which enhanced the beauty in some places of the state masked the woes that surfaced in others. Bellari. Temples in Hampi and Purandara were submerged following heavy rains. The Tungabhadra Dam saw increased inflow of water. 22 crest gates of the dam were opened. Even as the water gushed out, it filled the rivers and flooded the temples. Plants and trees were also submerged in the gushing waters. Chikmagalur. The Malnad region of Chikmagalur witnessed heavy rains. Water flowing from the streams carried the plants along with them. Estates in the district were flooded. The rivers of Tunga and Bhadra overflowed, causing schools and colleges in the district to declare a holiday. Sringeri in the Malnad region received 204.9 mm of rainfall, while Kiga received 179.4 millimeters. In Hariharapura, the rainfall measured 185.4 millimeters. The water level in the Bhadra Reservoir has increased with an inflow of 51,662 cusecs. 1,640 cusecs of water was released. Kodagu. Thunderous and continuous rains in Kodagu caused plenty of damage in the district. The streets were flooded. Bhagamandala was flooded as it received 160 millimeters of rain. Madikeri received 122.1 millimeters of rain in the past 24 hours. It was a struggle for school children to commute in the rain. Water inflow in the Harangi Dam touched 9,973 cusecs and 7,180 cusecs was released. The state certainly received bountiful rainfall, but the aftermath was wonderful for some and miserable for others. A News 9 report.